Station Mall. I've been told this is a dead mall. Parking lot looks empty. Let's go check it out. There's like 10 cars here, and I'm guessing most of those are employees. Let's go check this out. There, it has like neon lights and stuff. There's some of the neon lights. Holiday Train Garden. We'll have to remember that. Got a Gold's Gym in here. Macy's is open. Where is everybody? This is bizarre. Oh, there's somebody. This must have been like a display area or something. This mall is really cool. The Curmudgeon. I've never even heard of these stores. Vivancy. I mean, I hear people talking, but I don't see anybody. They must be downstairs. There's one. I think people come here to walk leisurely. Bath and Body Works is here. Some employees are talking, hanging out. Oh, there maybe is a customer there. I wonder what happened here. I mean, we're not too far from Baltimore. The town's got a good population size. I wonder who these folks are. Marley Station. Pretty cool. I mean, it's a very nice, clean mall. Unfortunate. The outside of that Sears building here. Here's where we went in. And then that's the Macy's. There's cars here, but weird.